Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. So today I'm going to show you how to make carrot salad, and I hope you all have been enjoying everything I've been trying to show you, the different recipes. And because we are approaching summer here soon, I thought a carrot salad would be good to show you. Okay, so for our carrot salad, we're going to need, of course, our carrots, which we're going to shred up, okay? That's why I have my little machine here. A half teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, a cup of mayonnaise, our crushed pineapple. You could use tidbits if you like. We're going to use lemon because I'm going to squeeze some juice out of that lemon, and we're going to use raisins. Okay, so what I want to do is show you first and foremost, before I shred up my carrots, I have a carrot to show you how to start. So we want to clean our carrot, which I've already cleaned it, but we also, after we rinse them and everything, you want to kind of peel your carrots. And so just in case you don't know what peeling the carrot is, excuse me for reaching over, you're going to take your carrot and you're going to peel it like that. What you would use to peel your potatoes or something, and you just go like that. That's all. And I'll do it again. And you just go like that. Okay, so I'm going to finish peeling this one and I'll get back to you. Okay, so once you've peeled your carrots, your carrots will look like this, and then you're going to cut the ends off. Okay? And again, give them a good rinse. Okay? So, because I like to shred my own carrots, because I kind of like the juice that comes from the carrot after you shred it, I don't use the pre-shredded or the matchstick shredded carrots. Okay, so that's what you see me doing. I'm just shredding up all of these carrots, and we'll have a nice bowl of shredded carrots. So what I'm going to do is finish shredding up all of the carrots, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to put everything together. Okay? Okay, so we have all our carrots shredded up, and I also drained the can of crushed pineapples. And so now what I have to do is get some of this lemon juice into my mayonnaise. Okay? Yeah, we're going to squeeze the lemon juice into the mayonnaise. Okay? And I'm just going to cut this lemon in half, just like that. Okay? And I'll worry about picking up the juice afterwards, because I know I have lemon juice there. But we're only going to squeeze a little bit of this lemon juice into our mayonnaise, just like that. Okay? So give me a second. Let me wash my hands again, since I just squeezed that. Okay, so now I'm going to mix up this mayonnaise, since we squeezed that lemon juice in there, just like that. Okay, so then I'm going to take my sugar and I'm going to pour my sugar into my mayonnaise, because we want it to be a little sweet. Because carrot salad, even though carrots are sweet, and that's why I like to shred it up, so that I have just a little bit of that sweetness from the carrot juice, and then, you know, but it still needs a little bit more sweetness to it. And even though we're going to add in our pineapples, which pineapples are tangy, so we're going to add all of that in, and now I'm going to add in some of this salt. Okay? And we're just going to mix all of that in to our mayonnaise. So we're making a dressing out of the mayonnaise that we have. Just like that. Okay? And you want to make sure everything is well combined. See, your mayonnaise, your dressing, now that you've taken the mayonnaise, it should look like that. Nice. It should be like, it's already smooth. but it gets a little smoother. It starts to thin out from the lemon juice and the sugar and the salt that we just added in there. Okay, to make this nice dressing. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to put some of these raisins in here. Uh-oh, the raisins are jumping out all over the place. I'm going to put some of these raisins in here. Just like this. And I guess I should remind you all, this is Mother's Day weekend. So I would hope that if you have a living mother, make sure you show her how much you appreciate her for Mother's Day. We should be doing that all the time, but especially on Mother's Day, because that is a day that is designated for us mothers, you know. So show that you appreciate your mom on that day and every day, because we moms, we do a lot to make sure our family is kept together and everything is done for the family. So let's show our moms some appreciation, okay? And if you have a mom who has passed on, like my mom has, take some time and reflect on that. And you know, if you have children that never had a chance to meet your mom, like my son never had the opportunity to meet my mother because I was 19 when she passed. So I was still in college, a sophomore in college. So my son wasn't even a thought, and therefore he never had that chance to meet my mother. So I talk about my mom, I show him pictures of my mom, and do it like that, you know, just to let him know and teach him about his grandmother that he never met. You know, we just have a good time talking about her, and he asks questions about her, and I enjoy talking about my mother. That's a nice way for me to remember my mom. So on this Mother's Day, do all you can for your mom and grandmothers as well, okay? Because we as moms work hard for our family to raise these kids and do everything we need to do. Okay, so there you go. I put all my 4 boxes, 4 of these little boxes, 4 of these little boxes of raisins into this carrot salad, okay? So now what I'm going to do is put my crushed pineapple in here. And it probably still has, even though I drained it, if I didn't tell you, you need to drain your pineapple, your can of pineapple, because you don't want all of that juice in there. So even though I drained it, I'm sure there's probably, well, there was still a little bit of juice after I drained it, and that's fine. We can use that juice. That just adds more flavor to our carrot salad. And look how nice and bright this salad is. I mean, this salad is just, I love carrot salad. It's just a wonderful salad. And in fact, my mom used to make carrot salad. So me standing here right now making this for you guys is bringing up memories of my mother making carrot salad. And I always thought it was so delicious. So I'm trying to make it similar to the way she made it, you know, which I wasn't quite sure, so I kind of guessed on some things. But I do know she shred up her own carrots. But I like I said, I like shredding up the carrots. Yep. And thank you all to my new subscribers and all my subscribers that have been here with me. Guys, I be trying to put out videos for you all the time, but you know, as a hairstylist, my time sometimes is really short, so I try to get it in as much as I can. So forgive me if sometimes my videos aren't out as often as you may like, but I'm trying. Okay, so I may need, we'll see what we're looking like, but I don't know. I may or may not need more mayonnaise, but we'll see. Let's look and see what we have. Look and see what we have. And I don't like, I don't want this to be super wet either, you know. You want it to have a nice moist consistency, but you don't want it to be overpowered by the mayonnaise either, you know, or I should say the dressing that we just created. Now, if you don't want to use sugar in your mayonnaise, you can always use honey. Honey is a good alternative, and honey makes it taste just as good too. And I think that is a good amount of mayonnaise. Ooh, that worked out well. Ooh, oh, and I know it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to taste this, and I can't wait for you all to taste it, because this is going to be so good. This is one of my favorite salads. Oh, I can't wait for you all to taste it. And it's just so bright and vibrant. You know, this is a great salad for the summer when you're having, say, a cookout. You know, especially we've been in this pandemic, and I know, you know, everyone is ready to get back out there and start, you know, hanging out with friends, having barbecues, and that's all fine and well, because we do need to get back to doing those things and, you know, just fellowshipping together. We do need to do that, but we need to be safe. And, you know, like for me, since this whole pandemic, what I ask people to do, if I'm having something at my house, I ask that you be fully vaccinated or take a test before you come. And I need to see your vaccination card, and I need to see your test results, because I don't want you telling me you took a test 6 months ago. If you're coming over to my house, for example, I'm not having anybody this weekend, but if you were coming over this weekend, I need for you to have a fresh test, okay? Or be fully vaccinated. All right, guys, this is ready. So I'm going to plate this up for you and just, you know, taste it. I'm just going to taste it, I should say. I'm not really going to plate it, but I'm going to taste it. So give me a second. Okay, beautiful people. We have our beautiful carrot salad here. Excuse me, my hair was getting in my face. This is our beautiful carrot salad. I hope you can see it. Oh, it looks delicious. Now let's taste it. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I put my foot in this too. Okay. Y'all need to make y'all some, because this came out amazing. You know, I can't sing, but I think I can. But yes, this came out amazing. So I'm gonna need for you guys to make this recipe so you too can enjoy it. Okay, so like always, beautiful people, like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.